Hey friends, if you wish to show or hide display options for update notifications in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open Registry Editor. Go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft and Windows. Now we will create a key under Windows and the name of this key is Windows Update. Right click on it, select New Key, name it Windows Update. In the right pane, we will create a dword 32-bit entry named set update notification level. Right click in the open space, new dword 32-bit value, set update notification level. Double click on it, change the value to 1, hit enter, and the notifications will be disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.